guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is about another try on haul. So a couple weekends ago, well, September 22nd was my wedding anniversary, and the weekend before, my husband and I went on a trip to Atlantic City because I'm in New York and you really can't go anywhere without coming back and then them wanting to quarantine, especially with COVID. So we wanted to take a small trip that we knew we didn't really have to quarantine when we come back. So I just wanted to show you guys a couple of the dresses that I took with me, and of course at the end of the clip I'm going to show you guys of course what I ended up wearing on our night of our dinner. I just wanted options. A couple of these options that I had are these dresses that I have here. So if I pull them down just to show you guys, so this first one is from Jluxlabel, right? This second one is also from Jluxlabel. Oh, something fell. Right, then this is a two-piece set that I have here. This is actually from Fashion Nova, and then this one is also this nice little sweater dress is from Jluxlabel. So I'm gonna try on all four of them, and of course, you know, show you guys the options that I had. So the first one I'm gonna try is this one, the flower one from Jluxlabel. I'm gonna just hook these here, right? It's from Jluxlabel. So this is the first one, and I'm gonna try this out. Let me move this. Okay guys, so this is the first dress. This dress is from Jluxlabel. I really like this dress. I've always liked it. I was always a fan of it. So this is one of the options that I took with me to wear. It was, you know, it's a little bit of a really nice weekend. I wanted something really nice to wear. So this is my first option. I really love this dress. Really love it. It is a really nice dress. A great option to throw on for anything. So this was option number one. Right, this is this dress from Jluxlabel. The next dress is also this little orange baby right here. This is also from Jluxlabel. Right, so this is this dress. So I'm actually gonna try this on next, right? And this one is a little bit of longer. So this one is a midi dress. It cut down to my knee, but then this one is more of a longer length dress. So I'm gonna try this on next. All right guys, so this was, let me untwist it. Right, so this is dress number two. I like this dress too a lot. It's like a little rouge dress. You can kind of like fix up the rouge and everything like that on the dress, but it's a really nice dress. I love it a lot. I don't know, I like the color. It just gave me fall vibes. Like, you know, do you guys get fall vibes from this? I get fall vibes. I get fall vibes. It kind of represented fall, the theme, the concept. I really like this one. All right, so this was option number two that I took. I really like it. I didn't want to rouge it too much, but yes, this is how the dress was. It's a really nice dress. I love the length. What I like about dresses like this, especially in the cold and the chilly, is that they come down to your knees. So you throw a little heels on, you really don't have to worry about your feet, your legs too much because they cover so much. So this is what I really liked about it. Right, so this was option number two. So option number three is little two-piece right here. It's actually a two-piece, it's a skirt and a top. So I'm gonna try that on next. I got this from Nova. So, all right, let me get this going. Okay guys, this is option number three. Let me fix the top. All right, so this is option number three. I love a good two-piece. I love a good two-piece. I have been, you know, two-piece has been my thing. This is definitely was one of my options. I wasn't sure. It depended on the weather, on how I felt and what I wanted to wear at the time. You know, but this was an option for me. I love two pieces. I love the romantic vibe, but romantic but cute, chic for sexy but classy look of this two-piece set. Yeah, so this was one of the options that I had. I liked it a lot. I definitely had to find something because honestly, this came with nothing to go underneath the top portion. So I had to find something to go underneath it. But lucky thing I had something to go underneath it just in case. So that was my options to wear this nice two-piece set. And I love it. It's really, really nice. Right, so this is option number 3. Oh my god, I almost couldn't even put up my fingers. Right, so option number 3. Right, and then last but not least, this baby right here. It's another nice little long one. Like I said, guys, I love a long dress. I love a midi. So this comes down low too. And the first one, of course, was a little bit lower. And then the second one you saw was down to the floor. So this is another down to the floor one. So this is going to be my last try on. Right, so this is option number 4 for anniversary dress, guys. Okay, guys, so this was option number 4. Right, so this is a perfect outfit for when it's really cold outside and you guys really don't know what to wear, but you want to be cute, you want to be classy. This would be the perfect outfit. So I really, really love this. I love styles like this. They give me life. Oh my god, I just love them. Very classy, very cute. I really liked this one. Really. Right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The outfit I ended up wearing is hope you guys like the pictures that you guys just saw. That was the outfit I ended up wearing. I really loved the choice that I had because it actually ended up being really chilly that weekend in Atlantic City. So I had to wear something that was like really long, really cute, super, comfortable, right? So I definitely will be doing more of these videos, guys. The next 2 videos I'll be doing, one of them is both of them are gonna be fall related, but one of them is gonna be work related, like outfits to wear to work for fall, and then another one is going to be like going out wise, fall wise. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome. Love you guys. Bye.